Hi, I'm Steve Wood, and I manage Brock Solutions Operations Center. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to give you some insights into the high-tech ops center that we've developed to monitor, analyze, and identify trends and abnormalities in real time of our software and systems deployed in the field. But first, there's a lot that happens before a system makes it into our steady-state operations center. Brock Solutions partners with our customers to design, develop, and implement products, services, and solutions that meets your business needs. We have dedicated account managers, product managers, and project teams that take your business objectives and then turn them into reality, allowing our customers to focus on what matters most, their business. So now your investment is live and operational. So now what? One of the biggest risks and cost implications in our industry is when your operations is not performing optimally, or worse, your systems are completely down. A system that is non-operational translates into thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars of every minute of downtime. We at Brock Solutions understand the criticality of your systems and necessity to keep them running. That's why our Brock Solutions Operations Center is a 24/7, 365 operation that is designed from the ground up, focusing on real-time telemetry, built on a foundation of security, reliability, performance, and scale. Our design is completely automated to enable us to take advantage of machine learning and AI, which when an alert is triggered, executes a playbook, allowing for automatic resolution or engaging one of our highly trained technicians to proactively engage and investigate any potential impacts to your operations. This means we have a holistic view of your operations and not trying to piece together information component by component. This process also significantly increases our efficiency in investigating and quickly remediating any symptoms before they become problems. If you want to learn more about our Operations Center and the value it adds to your business, feel free to reach out to your Brock Solutions account manager, and we'll be happy to discuss it with you in more detail. Thank you.